Ready to harness the power of your communications data? Blast off with Nylas today.
Morning, Ram. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Blog. How you doing?
A little bit with a cold, but getting better.
Oh no, oh no. Hopefully this live stream will get things all warmed up and toasty. So what are we going to talk about today, Blog?
So we're gonna talk about the Nylas Scheduler, and the Nylas Scheduler is basically a tool that allows you to create kind of like a booking system. So you can create an event and then let people subscribe to that event. So the good thing about the Nylas Scheduler is that you don't almost need to do anything. You don't need to code that much. Uh, we're gonna see it's fully customizable and it's pretty good. So let's kind of jump to it. So what I'm gonna show you right now, it's gonna look a little bit weird because it's just a button that says Open Schedule Editor.
So
But
maybe a quick point of view is like who would there's going to be two sides to this. Let's set it up that way. So this would be the person
yes,
that's creating a scheduler.
Mhm. I
Okay.
forgot to mention that. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be two ways, right? One way is gonna be us creating the scheduler, and the second one is gonna be the person going and signing up to the event that we're going to create.
Gotcha.
So this one, when we press Open Schedule Editor, it's going to say Add Scheduling Page. We're going to create our event. So let's say, okay, 30-minute coffee meeting, but we're going to say code with Nylas code or something like that, right?
Oh, I like this event.
Location is going to be the Nylas hat, let's say. And it's going to be, let's say, for an hour. All right. So we go next. We're gonna say that it can be from 9 to 5, and we want to schedule it, let's say, 4 weeks in the future. So it's gonna be like a month. And here is gonna be the URL. So it's gonna be, we're gonna delete that. Schedule nylas.com. Let's say Nylas Coders. So we're gonna create it, and here we have. So now we can see how it's gonna kind of look like. And we are still on our current view. This is what people are gonna see when they look at it, but probably we want to tweak it a little bit. So we just go back and we can say edit, and this is where we can change things. So here we know that we can have a cancellation policy. So we can say, for example, that only if you are sick and cannot make it, and you need to let us know, like, I don't know, like 23 hours in advance, right?
Okay.
Uh, then here, which calendar we're going to use. So I'm going to use the one that I have connected to my Nylas account right now. We have opening hours, and we can specify the time zone that we want to display. Here we can say that it's going to be, let's say, we don't want to do it on Thursday, for example, so we just remove it. So there's not going to be anything showing up on Thursday. So from 9 to 5, the handle is going to be, we can choose automatic or manual. We can want it hosted, or we can actually have it like in a custom page. We can set up reminders. So whoever is booking or canceling is going to get a notification. We're going to get that as well. Or we just can say that we want everybody to be reminded, uh, despite whatever things. But we can ask some info about our attendees. So what info should guests provide? We can actually here add more, like favorite food, for example, and we can say that it's going to be required. For some reason, they need to tell us which food they want. Uh, so just remember for now. And we can actually upload the company logo. We can put company name. So we can say here Nylas. We can change the color. we can set a thank you message. So once you schedule the event, we're going to be a thank you. So thank you from Nylas Coders. And here we can change the color. We're just going to keep it like that. And then we're going to save and exit. So it's fully customized.
Yeah, this is really cool. I like how you can customize and add in additional information. So if someone's setting up or scheduling a calendar event, I can get more information from them to learn more, whether if it's a certain language they want to talk about, or even if we're going to go grab coffee or something, maybe they like tea and you can go somewhere different. One thing I want to call out is this whole UI is essentially what you would add to your own application. So if you're building an application like we were talking about scheduling gym equipment, this would be something you would add inside of your application, and then you can configure the scheduler.
Yes, exactly.
For different people coming into your application, or just to share links for them to book events.
Yes, and now that it's fully finished, we can like a copy link. So let's say someone else is coming to your event. So they're going to be presented with this screen. They can actually change the time zone if they want. So it's going to show differently. And they can sign in with Google or Microsoft. And this is important because you're going to see in a second. I'm going to sign up with my personal Gmail. There's going to be a shared availability. So it's going to be my personal availability against the person who created this event availability. So here we can say that the work was available at 6 p.m. And you see there's no Thursday because I removed Thursday. And this is the only times that we're both available. So it's funny because both are my calendar. So that's why probably. But let's say we want to go on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to say confirm. Okay, that is my name. Yes, that's my email. Everything looks fine. So I'm just going to submit. Thank you for Nylas Coders, which is the one that I said. And we're going to receive a confirmation on our email. Perfect. So if I go to my email, here is scheduling assistant. Here, booking confirmed. Hi Alvaro, and all the information that we created for our event. So you just can distribute this to every person that you want, and they're gonna be able to schedule their events.
Yeah, this is awesome. I find it really cool how a lot of the UI was built out for us using Nylas, and really we just had to kind of add the configuration. So it's really a low code or low tech approach to kind of setting up a scheduler in any application. I think you only need to add a few lines of code, like at the script tag or something like that, and you're pretty much ready to go to kind of start scheduling events or just kind of showing and sharing your availability.
And actually, you can also change to like week view, so you can see it displayed in a different way.
Yeah,
always nice. So you have that for today, and that's for the rest of the week. So in terms of what you need to do, so if you go here into the Nylas website, that's developer.nylas.com, and then you go to schedulers, scheduler editor setup, and instant integration, you're going to see that there's a bit of code that you need to copy and paste. So I did it here. We just need to have this code here, and the important piece is here when you need to provide your access token. That's the only thing you need. Once you double click on this, it's gonna open the little button that was displaying here.
So this is the editor.
Exactly. Yep. Okay. And that's it. You have your scheduler, you can create your events, you have people sign up to it, and then you basically, the only thing that you did just copy and paste and just put your access token. That's it.
Yeah, that's great. I really like how it's straightforward and you get so much functionality out of the box. Yeah, that was awesome, Blog. Was there anything else you wanted to talk about regarding Scheduler, or anything else you wanted to show?
Sure, probably just kind of like showcase more uh, how you have the ability to change things on the scaler, so it's fully customizable, and you can actually create more. So you can create multiple events. I can create another one. It's gonna appear here. But then, for example, here on the page side, I said you can upload your company logo. I'm not sure if I have one handy, but I just want to show that it actually displays when you do that. So, okay, here I have the Nylas logo. So save and edit, and you're gonna see how it's gonna look different. When I refresh this, here you see that instantly the logo is appearing. So whatever change you do here is gonna be instantly replicated. So for example, like if I here change the color, okay, I need to do it manually here. Okay. So let's say 3. I don't know if that changed anything.
Yeah, you may have to change it to a more different color.
Yeah, probably. I not really know much about like coloring hexadecimal.
Yeah.
Uh, so probably, I don't know, like I say, Nylas Coders United, something like that. So I save and exit, then I refresh here.
Nice. So I think that message will come when you do when you schedule, because it's
That's company name. Yeah,
yeah.
that's right. That's something else.
Yeah, you
Uh,
do have quite a few options here to configure the scheduler
mhm.
using this UI.
Yeah, but also I was mentioning about the reminders. So you can click here, reminder. So you can send a reminder to everybody that has signed up for your event. So you can specify like 15 and up to 90 minutes before the event. So they're going to receive an email and you can put like a personalized message, right? Like your meeting is going up, or you have events going to start in like 30 minutes or like 45 minutes, etc. So with minimal effort, you have a booking system that you can use, and you can get people to sign up for your events.
That's great.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, I really like how easy it is to use something like that using Nylas.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, that was awesome, blog. I'm excited to kind of use the scheduler in some of our upcoming live streams and apps that we build out. Just want to call out our blog. We have quite a bit of topics going up on our blog weekly. Twice weekly, we have topics coming up on our blog, and as well, I just want to call out our YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. We want to hear from you in terms of anything communication or all things Nylas that you're building with or you're looking to build or any ideas you have for upcoming videos. We love to kind of get those ideas into the wild.
Yeah, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Nylas. Just let us know if you want to see something on the show. And you realize you have your Coding with Nylas background. That's awesome.
Yeah. I was wondering when you were going to notice.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't.
No worries.
When I share my screen, I cannot see anything else that what I'm sharing. So I need to stop and come back here to actually realize.
Yeah, we'll have a few more changes on the show. I think we're going to get some additional fun stuff on the show with regards to t-shirts. So that'll be up soon.
Yeah, totally. So yeah, just let us know. Just try to communicate with us what you want to see in the show. If you want to be a guest show, just let us know.
Yeah.
And overall, just let us know how do you feel about Coding with Nylas, because we're almost on our way to hit our 50th episode, which is a huge milestone for us. So let us know.
Awesome. Thanks, blog.
Thank you, Ram, and have a great day. Bye.
All right. You too. See you. Bye.
Thanks.